What do you think made Tulsa's Black Wall Street successful? My name is Devon Travell, creator of Black Wall Street, the board game, and let's get in. Today, we are going to be going over the history of Tulsa's Black Wall Street, the Tulsa Black Wall Street Massacre of 1921. Bombs were dropped on the Black Tulsans, all because there was a misunderstanding of a young Black man. You're going to learn some important figures. We have Edwin McCabe, who hits the scene. Financial lessons we can take from the history, the oil boom, right? Having that strong foundation economy, financial lessons we can take from the history. And if you stay all the way to the bonus, all the way to the end, that's what you stay all the way to the end. You make sure you have what they need when they need it. That was how O.W. Gurley thought.